The joystick, we're in manual mode. We're going to go to docking mode, which now engages this. And here's the small, slow movement of the actuator back and forth. And you can do it in small increments like we talked about before. The same way. You can aggressively go from one end to that's the automatic end stop right there. If you go slowly up to the end stop, it stops beforehand. But if you want to go aggressively, all the way in, it goes all the way to the end. It returns to center. The same way with port, stops here. But if you want to go aggressively, it goes all the way over. And I do that because it's going so fast it'll hit the ends. So if you aggressively go from one side to the other, you can do that. And being in the center throw right now is really important because this is where your normal play is of the motor, where you're going to steer. So you can steer real slowly, or you can steer a little aggressively. Look how fast it is from center to the end stop. That's very fast. And back to return. Full throw is faster. I had to slow it down, but it's just as fast as going from behind. And there's your joystick throw over there. Very small movement, very tight, tremendous amount of force. Here's the side where I'm going to put another piece of plate right here of Teflon to be able to stabilize this bar. Even though you can see right now the bar is pretty stable, it goes all the way out to the end, and it doesn't drop or anything. It's pretty stable as far as that's concerned. But I just want to beef it up a little bit more right here. These are the actual pins I put into it, which stabilized it pretty good. So it doesn't. This rod doesn't flex that way. The motor here is pinned here, so it doesn't flex. So for this particular application, it's going to work pretty good. As you can see, real-time steering, as if you were doing it by yourself. And I'll go back to manual mode. Just to give you an idea of how fast it will go from the center point out. And what I was just doing with the stick is, you can see it here, always return back to center. A very fast response. And very quiet, I might add. I actually realized I was looking at the video and I didn't show you exactly. See if I can get this up here enough so you can see the actual joystick and just the small movements of the joystick. I don't know if you've seen the joystick move like that. So you can see how intricately small move, 1/8 of an inch movements you can move with the joystick, just very fine. I know I was aggressively moving it back and forth, but I just want to show you that you really can move small movements with the joystick, just like I'm doing right now, to get the effect of high-speed steering. So you're not going to tip the boat over in an aggressive turn one way or the other, like that. So I just wanted to let you know, let you see that. Let me see if I'll have to go review the tape, see if this actually came through or not. Hopefully I can get this without the actual controls being in the way. There you go.